Apple's next flagship phone seems to be the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, with the iPhone Ultra possibly being delayed until 2024. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, as the largest and most fully featured model in the iPhone range, may make a major impression on our best phones list and establish a new bar for smartphones to follow. A powerful new 3nm A17 Bionic processor, a periscope lens with double the zooming capability, a stronger titanium construction, and other improvements could be seen. Apple is expected to launch the iPhone 15 series this autumn, with September being the most probable release month. Some aspects of manufacturing seem to be beginning earlier or generating more components than projected, although this appears to be an effort by Apple to accommodate future demand rather than to move the launch date ahead. When the iPhone 15 lineup does come, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will most likely lead the pack, positioned to compete with competitors such as the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Google Pixel 8, both of which are expected to launch in October. The price of the iPhone 15 Pro Max has not yet been revealed, but it is likely to be comparable to the iPhone 14 Pro range, with the basic model beginning at $1,099 and rising up to $1,599 for a 1TB version. Apple has not verified reports of a price rise. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will most likely be priced similarly to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and Apple will be forced to explain any price hike. The iPhone 15 Pro Max might sport a redesigned design with more rounded corners and thinner bezels, as well as a new red color option. It might also have a solid-state button and an action button, like the Apple Watch Ultra. The Pro Max's chassis might be built of titanium to provide a stronger but lighter gadget. Furthermore, the Pro Max's camera bulge might be lower than that of the iPhone 15 Pro, and it could have a periscope zoom camera. CAD renderings show how the action button may appear, and it could have phone-centric functionality that can be customized. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to have USB-C connection, according to the European Union's need for a unified charging standard by December 2024. Apple is apparently moving its USB-C accessories into full production ahead of the iPhone 15 launch. While USB-C may enhance charging and connection, older iPhone accessories may need converters and dongles. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.